Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to toggle the webcam on or off on a GIGABYTE G7. There are two methods of doing that and I don't think they work interchangeably, so it's worth knowing both of these, because if you disable it through this first method, then you won't be able to enable it through the second one. So let's go to the first method, which is using the keyboard. On your keyboard there is the F10 key, which has a camera on it. And to enable or disable the webcam, you need to click on FN combined with that F10, and that turns camera off or turns it on. Now let's go to the second method, which is in the settings. Then I think Bluetooth and devices, or maybe not. Yeah, so it's actually in Bluetooth and devices, then there's cameras. I didn't see that. And go to connected cameras, and you'll see an image from your camera, so you can disable it, for example. And now your camera is disabled, and it will persist as disabled until you enable it here in settings. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.